So girls will continue yesterday's lesson, page 283. The first question is here, 3 over 25 times. Why are we have to make the denominator 100 to know the percentage. How do I make denominator 100 to 25? I have to multiply with 4. Now sometimes you don't know. What should I multiply to get 100? So you must divide 125. You will get that number. So you will write here 4. 25 times 4. Same number you need to write in the numerator. Again I say 25 times 4 gives you 100.
100.
Number you'll multiply in the numerator. I'll write 1200. So my answer is 12%. Now here 3 over 10. So again I need to multiply with some number to make 100. What number you must multiply to make 100? 10 times 10.
10.
Same number in the numerator. So I get 30/100. That means it is 30%. See here girls how I do it. 0.717. That means if I open it, you have 3 numbers after the point. So it is 1, 2, 3. Girls, I must multiply with some number to make this 100. To make this 100, I need to make 100. So what do I do? See here very carefully, girls. This is 0.717, right? But when I remove the point, it is 7. Now, or I'll do the another way. 1 minute. Wait a minute. 0.717 divide by 100 and multiply by 100. Because in the denominator, what do I need? I need 100. Don't open it, girls. Don't open it. Just divide and multiply by 100. In the denominator, 100 is there. When I multiply to 100, where the point moves? 1 and 2 to the right, right? So your answer is 71 points over 100. So you get 71.7%. I think this one you did not get it. Did you get it, Malak?
Yeah.
What did I do? I divide and multiply by 100 because I need 100 in the denominator. Then when I multiply in the numerator with 100, I have to move the point to the 2 zeros, to 2 numbers. So I got 71.7 over 100, that is 71.7%. Same thing you will do here. 0.02, you will divide by 100. You will divide by 100 and you will multiply by 100. This 100 in the denominator, you'll write it as it is. This you will move 2 zeros, 2 numbers, 1, 2. So I get 200, 2 over 100, that is 2%. Any questions still here?
No, miss.
No. Tell me when you have finished writing, I will erase it.
Miss, I'm done.
Malak and Lee.
Done. Done.
And how about Lean?
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Write the number in 2 other you have to write in fractions also and in decimals also, or in percent. If it is given in point, I'll do in the, fraction and percent. If it is given in fraction, I'll write in other 2 forms. Okay, let us start. What did I say? Whenever you see a point without the denominator, divide by 100 and
Multiply.
Multiply by
100.
So what do I get here? I get here 100. I'll move to 2 points. I get 1 over 100. That is 1.
Miss, how we move 2 points? I didn't understand. What is the point to move?
Like, see,
So to the right we move it?
0.01 multiply by 100. How many zeros you see here in 100? 2
2.
zeros. So you'll move 2 places. 1, 2. So you'll put a point after 1. When I put a point after 1, that means I got 1 over 100.
Yeah, I understand.
I got 1 over 100. And plus, and they told us they also want in fraction. So the fraction is 1 over 100 and the percentage is 1%. The fraction is 1 over 100 and the percentage is 1%. This is your answer. This year they have given us in fraction. I need to write in points and I need to write in
Fraction.
fraction. Sorry, percent. Fraction is given to you. Now I cannot make 40 to 100. I cannot make 40 as 100. First, let us divide. I don't have space here, girls. 13 and 40. Put a point and a 0. Try, girls, 43, right? 43, 40 times 3. What does it give us?
120.
Okay. 120. Then remaining is 10. So again a 0. So I get 40 times 5 is what? 200. 40 times 4, 160. 40 times 2 is 80. I again get 2 and 0. This is minus, girls. So I put a 0 here and 40 times 5 is 200. So I get this as 0.325. This I get as a 0.325. Now 0.325, if I want to make it as a percentage, let me do 0.325 divide by 100. Wait a minute. 0.325 divide by 100 and multiply by 100. When I multiply by 100, the point move 2 places. So I get 32.5 over 100. That is nothing but 32.5%. Any questions in this?
No, miss.
Try to solve the same questions in the evening, girls. Because these
Okay, miss.
will be there in the test, inshallah.
Okay.
6 over 5. Let me divide 6 and 5. What's my answer? I got it as
1.2.
1.2. This is my decimal. How will I do the percentage? I told you. Divide by 100 and multiply by 100. When I multiply by 100, it moves to 2 decimal places. 1, 2. I don't have anything there. I will write 120 over 100. My answer is 120%. Again, girls, this is 1.2. I'll explain this again. This is 1.2 multiplied by 100. So it means it has to go 2 places. One place is this. Second place is empty. That's why I put a 0. I got 120%. Okay, understood, girls? I
Yeah,
got
miss.
120%.
Yeah.
Question still here?
Yeah.
Now here, 0.008 divided by 100 and multiply by 100. So point moves to two places and I get as, the point comes here. So I got it as 0.8 over 100. This is you got as a fraction, and in the percentage you got 0.8%. Okay?
I'm done, miss.
Okay.
Done, miss.
Okay. I will clear this. The other question. The table shows the portion of Kim's class that participates in each sport. Do more students take part in saucer or in swimming? When you compare to swimming and saucer, girls, do more, which one has more? 1 over 5, let us solve both of them. This is nothing but 9 over 100. That is 9%. And 1 over 5 means, let us do that is, I think you will get 1 over 5 means point and 0. So you get 10. 0.2. So tell me 0.2 means how many percent? I'll multiply by 100 and I get 1, 2. So it is 20 over 100 at 20%. So 20% is more or 9%? Of course, soccer is more. Of course, soccer is more, girls. It's not 0.20. 0.20%, 0.20%. So of course, 9% is less than 20%. That's why soccer is more. Your answer is?
Okay.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, you're next. Let us drop in and come. Wait a minute. Turn to another page. If I say 0.75, how much percent is that, girls? If I say 0.75, how much percent is that?
0.75.
Yeah.
It's less than 1.
It's nothing but it is 75 over 100.
Maybe
Like, see, if I say 0.75, this is like 100 over 100. It moves and it's nothing but 75 over 100. That is 75%. Here, what should I multiply to get 100? 20 times what gives you 100?
5.
5.
20 times 4.
Very good. Just calculate 19 times 5 and tell me.
19 times 5 equals
95.
85 or 95?
19 times 5,
85.
95.
85. Okay, yeah, 95. 95. So I get 95%. I get 95%. And girls, simple when you see like that, and when you see two numbers after the decimal point, that means it has to be 2 zeros in the denominator. You don't have to multiply and divide also. When you see two numbers in the after the decimal point, that means you can write 84 over 100. Directly, this is 84%. When you remove the point, you put the number of zeros in the denominator. So, least to greatest. Just write in the 12 team A, in the 13 write 12 team C. And you can read it out, girls. Read out the question. Which team used the greatest percentage? The greatest percentage is team A of what?
kids. A or C.
Here you have to write least two greatest. That is 75, 84 and 95. Here you will write least to greatest. That is, wait a minute, girls. You will write 75, 75, 84%, and then you have 95%. From the table, when you see most of the water, where is it used? In A. Team A. See the table here, 10 cups, 1 by 20 cups, and 0.16. Least is team C. If you solve 1 over 20, you get something like 0.0. You get 0.05. So of course this is greater than 0.05. Least when you compare. So your answer is C. That's it, girls. This is what we had to do today. And see you in the science class, girls. Any questions in this lesson?
No, miss.
Thank you, girls.